Now let's try to see this from a different perspective. Namely, we'll apply Fitts law to see how these browsers compare to each other. Fitts law says that the time it takes to click a widget on the screen depends on the distance between the current location of the mouse pointer and that widget and the size of that widget. Imagine that we are trying to open these two tabs. In Chrome, I right-click the first page, then I choose the option Open Link in New Tab. The page will be open in a new tab. Then I go to the other page, make another right-click, then another click on Open Link in New Tab. So this is the distance I have to cover with the mouse to open these two tabs in Chrome. Let's say this distance equals to n. Let's try the same in Opera. Imagine that we're trying to open these two tabs. So at first I make a click here. The page opens in the current tab. Then I have to go to the Create New Tab button, click it, then go all the way here to the other page which I wish to open, then make another click on it. So this is the path I have to cover. I don't know what exactly the value of this distance is, but it's certainly something which is greater than n, the number we obtained here with Chrome. So as you can see, you can do some calculations if you actually measure the pixels and the time. You can see that Opera is not as friendly when it comes to using the interface only with the mouse. So let's summarize. Chrome, Opera. Using just a mouse, Chrome works well, Opera doesn't work so well. Using just a keyboard, Opera is excellent, and Chrome cannot be used just with a keyboard. Remember that in the case of Opera, hotkeys are assigned to each page. For example, Control 6, Control 7, Control 8. So I can press Control T, then the hotkey for a specific page, then Control T again, then another page. Whereas in Chrome, I cannot do that. I have to press Control T to open a new tab, but then I'm forced to make a click with the mouse because there are no hotkeys assigned to the pages. And finally, Firefox, I don't even know what to write here because it cannot be used exclusively with the mouse or with the keyboard. You may be lucky just with the mouse if the pages you wish to open happen to be in the list of recently visited pages. Otherwise, you must use a keyboard as well. This is it. I hope you found this interesting.